What is this called? Shovel. A tool with a broad blade used for digging. What is this called? Rake. A tool with a toothed bar for gathering leaves or soil. What is this called? Hoe. A tool for digging, weeding, and breaking soil. What is this called? A tool with prongs used to loosen soil. What is this called? Pruning shear. A tool used for cutting and trimming branches, stems, and plants. What is this called? Watering can. A container for watering plants. What is this called? Garden hose. A flexible pipe used for watering. What is this called? Trowel. A small hand tool for digging. What is this called? Wheelbarrow. A small cart for carrying loads. What is this called? Gloves. Protective gloves used for gardening tasks. What is this called? Garden bed. A designated area for planting. What is this called? Plant pot. Containers for growing plants. What is this called? Fertilizer. A substance added to soil to enhance its fertility. What is this called? Garden edger. A tool for creating clean edges around lawns. What is this called? Garden tiller. A tool or machine used to break up, loosen, and aerate soil. What is this called? Hedge trimmer. A tool for trimming hedges,